Hello, how's everyone? This is Love to Journey with Jackie. Welcome to my channel. I went on a journey yesterday to Walmart with my sister. She went for groceries and all I went for was a plant stand. However, as soon as we entered the store, we found this basket of ladies' sandals that were marked down to $3. I grabbed a pair, she grabbed a pair. Then later on, as we were journeying down the different aisles, we passed by the ladies' shoe aisle. We couldn't help but journey down that aisle. They had sandals on sale for $3, $5, $7, and $10. Just look at the rack. Okay, YouTube family, here I am back at home about to show you these wonderful shoe bargains that I got at Walmart. Like I said, they were $3, $5, $7, and $10. And these are great for the whole family. So if you have teenagers or preteens who wear anywhere from a size 5, they even had all the way up to size 13 in these sandals. So you can get enough for the whole family and don't have to blow your vacation budget or your summer budget. And if your children are not picky, they can have a lot of variety for when school first starts. All right, here we go. Let's see what I got. Okay, these jewels were $3. These were $3. And I got 2 pair of these because these are cloth. And I have a dress that these match. So I got 2 pair. A lot of times, since my foot is so large and wide, if I find something, I will buy 2 pair. Okay. These have Velcro. These were $5. These would be cute with white, red, yellow. Okay. These were $5. Okay. They were originally $12.98. These were originally $9.98, so they were half price. These were $5. Here's another pair that was originally $12.98. These would be great for wearing poolside, outdoors if you're watering your plants. These were originally $12.98. These were originally $14.98, $15. So I got these for $7. I think these were $5. These were $5. And I don't have the price tag on them, but they were probably about $10 or $11. Okay. I can't remember how much these were originally, but they were either 7 or 10. And this is real leather, and with some sturdy buckles on. Nice, comfortable shoes. Now these were 10. So they've got that green and then tan, and this is real leather on these too. Okay. These were $3. $3. And they were originally $10.98. $3. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pairs of shoes. The racks are full of sale sandals. If you need sandals for vacation, poolside, working in the garden, just to wear around the house, for any occasion, hurry to Walmart. I remember one year we went on vacation and I took an expensive pair of sandals and I got in the pool and left the sandals beside my chair. When I came back, they were gone. I was so disappointed. However, now when I go on vacation, I take the least expensive shoes that I can. So if you take a $3 pair of shoes and somebody steals those, that's really no big deal. It's frustrating still because somebody stole something that belonged to you. However, someone stealing a $3 shoes, I can stomach that better than I can someone stealing a more expensive pair of shoes. Well, this is the end of my journey. Shoe shopping at Walmart, getting some great bargains. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Remember to hit the thumbs up to show that you like this video. Share this video with someone. Subscribe and ring that bell so that you can be notified. Also, go into your phone to your YouTube app and set up notifications so that you can be notified when I upload new videos too. Again, thank you for watching. See you next time, and bye for now.